Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. If you want to become fluent in English faster and learn English step by step, then this is the perfect place for you. In this channel, you will learn English from the very basic level to the advanced level. In today's lesson, we are going to start with the basic level and learn some basic English sentences. This is part 1 of the series. There will be many parts to come. So don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now let's get started with the lesson. The first sentence is, I am a beginner. This means that you are just starting to learn something new, like a new language or a new skill. For example, I am a beginner in learning English. The second sentence is, I can speak a little English. This means that you know some English and you can use it to communicate with other people. For example, I can speak a little English, but I am still learning. The third sentence is, I would like to learn English. This means that you want to learn English. You have the desire to learn English. For example, I would like to learn English because it is a beautiful language. So these are some basic English sentences for beginners. If you want to become fluent in English faster, then stay tuned.